good Sunday, folks. Hope you guys are having a great day. Let us know in the comment section what you guys have been up to this weekend.
We are continuing on with Vlogust, which is we do either a daily upload or a pre-recorded upload every single day of August.
Yes.
If you are liking Vlogust, please give it a massive thumbs up and comment down below what's been your favourite so far. Because I mean, with the daily vlogs, it's just us really on our day-to-day lives.
Yeah, so I hope you guys are enjoying those videos. So as you know, it is Sunday. We are doing a PO box on opening. So if you don't know, we've been getting packages and letters from you guys from the PO box. So thank you very much to everyone who has been sending them.
Have you noticed that we're standing on the other side today?
Yeah, it's like
it feels really, really weird right now. Ooh! Oh wow, this is amazing.
Well, that's cool, isn't it?
That's so cool. Look at this card. And it's got mini ears. So it's to Steph and Dave. We wanted to send you a little handmade thank you card to express our gratitude for the inspiration you have given us to start our own vlog. We have been watching you for quite some time now and always liked the idea of doing what you do. Seeing just how much fun you both have sparked a light in us that has really turned into something fun for us to do as a couple. We recently began watching your Fit for Florida journey and found this a great way to keep in shape. That's exciting. Who knew that could happen? We'll look forward to each notification letting us know that you have a new video up. Don't ever change. Thank you so much. And that is from all our love from Catherine and Ryan, the Snorri Adventures. Thank you so much, Kathy and Ryan. Thank you so much, and yeah, have fun with the vlogs.
Yeah, have a great time.
Yes.
Right, so we've got another package here. This is from the Sparks Imagination Company. It says Magical Mail on the back. So
Magical Mail.
Oh, there's a pin.
Oh my goodness. The Mary Blair Appreciation Society. Is it going to focus? No.
No. But we've got two. There's one each. So thank you very much for that. They're very kind of you. Hello, we are the Little Sparks Imagination Company. We specialise in Disney-inspired products for children and children at heart. So we're huge fans of your videos and we thought we'd send you a few bits for your trip. Enclosed are a set of Walt Disney World inspired flashcards, a set of Walt Disneyland inspired flashcards, a set of milestone/favourite photo prop cards, and 2 Mary Blair Appreciation Society pins.
I've got my pin on.
I got the other pin. Thank you very much. You can find us on Instagram at Little Sparks Company, and Etsy as well. Thank you. Hope you enjoy our stuff, Poppy and the Little Sparks team. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Oh, cute.
There's unofficial ABC flashcards for kids, which is pretty awesome. Yeah, you've got like, I presume this is Walt Disney World, or then obviously this must be Disney World, this must be Disneyland.
This is so cute. If you've got like a baby. My first Disney park, my first mouse ears, my first character, my first roller coaster.
That's adorable. Thank you so much for all the stuff. Thank you.
My first Dole Whip. Oh my gosh, there is a few of these that I've not done. Maybe we could pose with these cards.
Yeah, definitely, 100%. Thank you so much for the cards.
Thank you.
Okay, so the next thing we got is a postcard, and it says Old York. So thank you very much for the postcard. It says, to Steph and Dave, my parents and I are having a lovely trip in York. We went shopping, visited a museum, and went on an open-top bus from April. Thank you very much, April.
Thank you so much, April.
Hope you had a great time in York. Thank you very much for sending the card.
York's a very nice place.
It's very nice.
You know when we said that it was cooling down?
Yeah, it's now.
It's come back warm again.
It's come back warm, yeah.
It's from Alexander. Thank you so much, my love. Look at the smiley face on it.
Oh, wow.
Oh my goodness, that's amazing.
So there's a letter and there's a couple of drawings as well. We've got a Robin Hood, which is awesome, and also Simba. Simba's on there as well, which is pretty awesome.
Oh, they are amazing.
They're awesome. So I'm going to read the letter. It says, hello Steffi and Dave, my family and I love and enjoy your videos very much. We are big Disney fans too and share your love and joy for everything Disney. We found your channel through your videos with Tim and Jen Tracker in Tokyo. Your videos are so great and heartwarming. I think we might have met before.
I remember you guys, yeah.
I think we may have met before without knowing who you were at the time. Sorry, last year during Universal Halloween Horror Nights 27, you also have taken the photo of the trackers with me. Thank you.
Okay, that's him with the trackers.
Oh yeah,
I remember this day. I actually remember this day, and I remember taking this photo as well.
When we saw your videos of the marshmallow flavoured toothpaste, we immediately went to our Primark here and found it too. What a great taste! I found those edge protectors at IKEA, and they reminded me of the Mickey's gloves. and only added it to online. Oh, that's really cool. I've never seen that before.
He's got little lines on it. That's amazing. So cool. We'll have to try and find these.
Yes, definitely. So cool. We are sending you all the best wishes from Germany and hope to meet you again.
Oh,
all the best, Alexander and family. Thank you so much for all these pictures. They are amazing.
Thank you so much. And there is a Simba.
My
tattoo.
That's my tattoo. Thank you so much for that, Alexander and the family. Hope you guys are having a great day.
And I hope you are all well and you had a wonderful time in Florida.
This one is coming all the way from Australia. That was a... Right, so... Got some bows.
Oh, got some bows.
We got more bows.
Got my bow. Oh,
and
more bows.
Material.
Got some hair ties.
Oh, Steph's gonna love
some hair bows.
We've got some jewellery, I think. Some jewellery in a bag.
Oh my goodness!
Some more. Oh, there's a.
Oh my goodness, this is so cute.
We've got some dairy milk. Carmelo Koala chocolate.
Oh.
One each. One each. One each there.
Lovely.
And then we've also got. Oh.
Is that from Basin?
Got some.
Oh my goodness!
A petite pumpkin butter petite candle.
Do you know what? I could smell something from there. Oh my life! Oh my life! Hold on.
No, this is not even the. Wait, it's something else for Steffi. So it's that. It's a. It's a Hey Pumpkin hand sanitizer. Steph's obsessed with her hand sanitizers. And then there's also a
Pumpkin season is coming, everybody. Oh my gosh.
Hold that, because you've got to open this as well.
Oh goodness, oh
We've got a Hey Basin bag. There's so much stuff going on here.
Oh my goodness.
And then I've got a letter here. I'm going to read this out while Steffi is opening the package, because there's probably lots in there. It said, hey Dave and Steffi, Vince and I would love to say a big thank you for all of your videos. They've helped us so much while planning our first and second trip to Disney World and Florida. Like you, I have a love for Lion King. Every time we go to Disney, we finish our trip with one last Lion King show. I get teary every time and I can't wait to go back again and watch it. I managed to find some Lion King socks in the Target while we were there. I was so excited that I did a little happy dance in the middle of the shop. Vince was laughing at me. We have found your videos very informative and very helpful. We recently just come back from our second trip from Florida a week. While typing this, already having the blues like yourself, we have found ourselves with a love of Florida. We met lovely Ellie Stedman while we were out there, such a lovely lady. We have started planning our third trip in September of this year. We have done 2 Christmases at Disney World and Florida that we want to experience a Halloween one. Your videos show that it is excellent fun. Vince loves Chef Dave videos. I think it makes him miss home a little. Thank you very much. I'm glad you like that. Please keep up with the awesome videos. We watch you every Friday night after a long week of work, and it helps us to plan our next holiday. I think Vince and I have come to the conclusion that we are going to go to America on an annual trip each year. This will be the expectation of 2019 as we are going to England for a holiday, so I can meet Vince's family and have Christmas there.
Oh wow, you're going to have the most amazing time. Oh, especially for Christmas.
But they said they've included some chocolates from Australia, so we can try it out. Also, pumpkin spice stuff for Steffi, a suncatcher, keyring, a bookmark, and I made myself. Unfortunately, I couldn't find anything that was Lion King. Otherwise, I would have made something else. That's no problem at all. Thank you so much for that.
That's lovely. Like it's little Snow White.
I know, it's adorable.
Oh my goodness.
It's very adorable.
I'm going to hang this up for sure.
There is more on here which we're going to read later on, but thank you so much for all of the kind gifts. I'm definitely looking forward to trying the chocolates.
Oh, I'm just going to show you this one. Oh, hello, who are you? Oh, it's a keyring.
Oh, there you go.
That's so pretty.
That's so nice.
Snow White keyring. I'm sorry if the camera's not focusing.
But it is very beautiful, this stuff.
Pretty.
It's so nice.
Thank you
so much.
And in this bag we've got a variety soap from Basin. Oh, they smell so delightful.
Thank you very much, Terry and Vince, for all of this. It's amazing. It's so nice.
Goodness, I am stocked up for the autumn.
You are, aren't you? Absolutely. Thank you so much.
And some bath salts as well. You guys, seriously, you didn't need to do this. You've got some stickers in there as well. We've got some Mickey stickers.
That's awesome. Thank you so much, Terry and Vince.
So much.
You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. This is a big package.
Wow. You've got a card. Oh, lovely flowers. I love flowers. Okay, dear Stephanie and Dave, I hope you enjoy these 2 books. We are sorry that we won't be able to come to the meetup in Blackpool. We were looking forward to seeing you, as we missed you last year at the Halloween party at Disneyland Paris. Not a problem, my love. There'll be plenty more meetups.
Yeah, don't worry. There'll be plenty more meetups we're doing in the future. Like, we're going to be planning one to do at least twice every year, and like we'll be changing the location. So we'll.
It's a small world.
Exactly. But thank you.
So even though I don't like the ride, you know, it's a small world.
The phrase
and it
comes
is true. You never know when we might meet. Unfortunately, due to work, we cannot make it, but I hope to see you at some point. We love watching your videos. Love, Frida and Derek. No problem. Thank you so much.
Here comes 2 books. It says The Cat's Tales, More Cat's Tales, The Further Adventure of Romy and Remy.
Oh.
And yeah, and they're signed. He's the one who wrote the books, and they're actually signed by him as well.
Oh wow! These are wonderful, Derek.
Yeah, I hope you enjoy these stories as much as we like watching your vlogs. Best wishes, Derek T. Morgan. Thank you very much.
And what was the other one?
And it just says lots of love, best wishes, Sleepy Cat pictures. Thank you so much. That's really cool. Awesome.
Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Derek. These are wonderful. And yes, we will definitely give them a good read.
Definitely, yeah. Thank you so much for the books.
Thank you so much. That is very, very kind of you. Oh, I love that.
But that's pretty much all we got for today's PO Box.
Yes.
A massive thank you to everyone who sent us all the packages. If you do want to send us stuff, we do let you know that the PO Box does close on the 22nd.
Yeah.
If you are from overseas, it may take a little bit longer.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how long it may take, and we are trying to ask the post office if there is like a leeway, just in case some packages come by on the day. If you want to keep up to date, and we'll let you know on our Twitter and our Instagram, just follow us. All the links are in the description bar below for you folks. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a massive thumbs up. I really do appreciate it.
Once again, thank you so much to everybody who has sent in your cards, postcards, letters, homemade gifts, and also pumpkin spice gifts.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. You really didn't need to, and it really means the world to us. Thank you so much.
We're super grateful.
If there are any other packages or letters or anything that come into the PO Box by the 22nd, we will include it into our daily vlog as well. So don't you worry about that.
Thank you very much to everybody. And with that being said, make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit the red button just below, also to hit the notification bell when you notify our future videos, which is tomorrow, and we shall see you then, guys.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.